If your computer not shutting down and you are here to fix the shutting down issue, then this video is for you. Before starting this video, here I can share a normal tips to shut down your PC using power button. Just press and hold the power button for 5 to 10 seconds and see your PC might be shut down. But every time this process is very annoying. That's why you need to fix this issue. So without further ado, let's jump to the first method. Here click on search icon and type troubleshoot. Then go to the troubleshoot settings. Now click on other troubleshooters. Then scroll down and here you will see power option. Now click on run. This process may fix your shutting down issue. In the second method, click on search icon and type choose a power plan. Now go to the choose a power plan setting. Then click on choose what the power button does. After that, click on change settings that are currently unavailable. Now you have to uncheck the turn on fast startup option. Then click on save changes. And now try to shut down your PC. If you see turn on fast startup option is missing in your PC, then you can fix this very easily. Go to the description box and try to fix this issue. In the third method, you have to go to the same settings on power options, then click on change power settings from balanced option. Then go to change advanced power settings. Now scroll down and click on PCI Express. Here you will see on battery and plugged in option. You have to select off option in both cases. Now click on apply and OK. After doing this method, you can try to shut down your PC. If you see your Windows not boot up properly and faces some issues like black screen, blue screen, restarting screen and many more you can see here, then 4DDIG Windows Boot Genius tool may help you to fix this issue. I have given the link in the description box. Kindly check it out. Okay, now let's see the fourth method. Click on search bar and type CMD. Now open the CMD with run as administrator. Now type this command and press enter key. After that, you can try to shut down your PC. Also, you can try the another CMD method. Just type this command and press enter key and try to shut down your PC. Hope you enjoy this video. If you get help, please like this video and hit the subscribe button for more updates.